Hi everyone, I'm Masoud from Iran. We're going to speak about French language and other related issues. French is a living language in more ways than one. Not only is it spoken by some 125 million people in over 30 countries. It is also widely used in diplomacy, science, the arts, fashion, and a host of other areas. Also, because of its grammatical precision, French is used as an official language by several major organizations. But France does not have a monopoly on French. The Belgians and Swiss make a vital contribution. We will help you to learn French in much the same way as you learned English by listening, repeating, and finally by speaking. But here a key role that you meet the key role for successful in this course, and that is about practicing. Okay, do a little every day, practicing only through constant contact can you make the most of your natural powers of learning. Try and set aside some time every day, even if it's only 10 minutes, and make sure that you treat the course as pleasure, not work. The last rule here is about the practicing and how to practicing. Don't try to do too much at once, and we have made things as simple as possible. Okay, and I don't want you try everything by heart. Okay, I think enough for now. Remember that no one speaks a language without making mistakes, especially a beginner. Okay, let's get started. The first lesson in the new course of French language. Première, that is first. Leçon, leçon. Here, on is pronounced on. N here is not pronounced. Okay, leçon. Première leçon, that is the first lesson. Première leçon, that is first lesson. A, that is at or in. Paris, here S is not pronounced. Paris, that is Paris. Paris, that is at or in Paris. Number 1. Pardon, that is excuse me. Madame, that is madam. Pardon, madam, that is excuse me, madam. O, that is where. That is where. Here st is not pronounced. That is is. Law here is the definite article. That is the. Metro, that is metro. Le métro, the metro. Ça, nt here is not pronounced. Ça, Michel, Saint Michel, Saint-Michel, that is a name of a station. Où est le métro Saint-Michel, that is where is the metro or station Saint-Michel. Okay? Le métro Saint-Michel, the metro Saint-Michel. Attendez, that is wait. Attendez, that is wait. Un, that is indefinite article. A. Minute, that is minute. Attendez un minute, that is wait a minute. In the sentence 1, we have 2 poems. It's about Madame and another one about le métro. Okay? And it's very important, pay attention to these poems, because very important how to use your language in French language, and you must meet these standards. French is quite a formal language in many ways, and the use of monsieur and madame when addressing strangers of almost any age is a general rule. Le métro, short for metropolitan, is a Parisian underground railway system. Okay. The word is also used to mean the metro station. Okay. Number 3, no, that is we, some, that is are, au, that is at, boulevard, that is boulevard, Saint-Michel, that is nous sommes au boulevard Saint-Michel. The whole meaning of this sentence, that is we are at boulevard Saint-Michel. La is a other definite article, that is the. La, that is the. Fontaine, that is fountain. That is là-bas, that is over there. La fontaine est là-bas, that is the fountain is over there. Number 4, we, that is yes, d'accord, that is okay. We d'accord, that is yes, okay. Mais is not pronounced. Mais, that is but. Mais, that is but. Où est le métro? Where is the metro? S'il vous plaît, that is please. Number 5, mais bien sûr, that is mais, that is but. Bien sûr, that is of course. Mais bien sûr, that is but of course. Voilà, that is there is la scène. La scène, that is scene. Okay, voilà la scène, that is there is the funny. Et voici, that is and. Voici, here is, and le pont, that is the bridge. Et voici le pont, that is and here is the bridge. Here there are 2 poems again about the s'il vous plaît and voilà and voici. And s'il vous plaît is the usual way of saying please. Don't ask why, just memorize it. And voici and voilà. Voici means is equivalent to here is or here are, and voila means there is or there are. C'est that is it's, joli that is pretty, c'est joli it's pretty, mais s'il vous plaît, but please, ce n'est, or ce n'est, that is it's not, pas ça, that is at, on the, gauche, that is left, ce n'est pas à gauche, that is it's not at, on the left, alors, that is so, alors that is so, c'est à droite, that is at, on the right, droite, that is right. Voilà, that is there we are, le métro est à droite, the metro is at, on the right. Mais vous êtes sûr, but vous êtes, that is are you, sûr, that is sure. Mais vous êtes sûr, that is but are you sure? No, that is no. Je suis, that is I'm, touriste aussi, touriste too. Je suis touriste aussi, that is I'm tourist too. Thank you for your listening. If you have any question, please don't hesitate me, and your question is very important for your continuing of this course. And for more videos, please subscribe my channel and introduce my